Wagwan guys, today we're going to be doing some stew peas with some pigtail and beef. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. So let's get right into the video. Here I have my peas already prepped and cooking, so we're gonna be testing it to see if it's ready. Yes it is. So now I am going to go ahead and prep. I washed my pigtail already and I also washed my beef. So I am going to be putting it on to scald. So I'm going to put the pigtail to scald. You know, you cannot cook the pigtail, the stew peas with the pigtail just like that. You have to make sure you scald off the salt and everything first. So I'm going to be scalding this pigtail off twice to make sure I get majority of the salt off. It's just a routine thing that everybody that does stew peas does. So yes, it's scalding, it's boiling nice. I like that. So I normally do my pigtail with chicken foot and turkey neck and those things, but I cannot get it here. So now I'm gonna strain it off and add it to the peas. This pot with the peas and the beef and everything combined together. So yes guys, I'm gonna close the lid. So now I'm gonna be preparing some white rice. So I had my scallion, thyme and my butter. So now I will be serving my stew peas with some white rice. Yes, all finished. Rice shelly and nice. So guys, I am going to go ahead and head over to the pot with the stew peas. So I'm going to be adding some scallion and thyme and pepper and those things to it. Garlic, hot pepper, and I am also adding some onion, diced up onion. So I'm gonna stir all that in. That's so, oh God, I love stew peas. This is so nice and delicious, red and rich. That's how thick. So now that I add all of that seasoning and it's bubbling and mixing all flavors and all spices, I am gonna go ahead and put some spinach in. You all know there's no stew peas without some spinach dumpling. So you just a piece and roll it and drop it in and nice. Here, listen, my man. So with stew peas you can add chicken foot, chicken. You can have meatless stew peas. You know, all of those kind of, but I love pigtail with beef and chicken foot and turkey neck and those other things. But I'm just going to go ahead today and do it with some beef and pigtail. So now that I add all my spinach, I'm going to, you know, stir it up and I'm going to leave it to simmer a little bit so the dumplings can cook and all the flavors can lock in. So now I add some Maggi seasoning cube and I will be adding my coconut milk. So this is the one that I'm using. Unfortunately, I couldn't get any dry coconut, so I have to just use what I have. So I'm gonna stir the coconut milk in and lock in all those delicious flavor. Guys, I can tell you, if you can smell the aroma in this kitchen, OMG. Yeah. Nice, thick, rich, and ready to serve. So guys, I will be serving this with some white rice and some vegetable on the side, some cucumber and stuff. So guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And thank you for making it Pal's Island Kitchen. One love. Remember to walk good. Remember, love God, live good. Have yourself a wonderful and blessed day. Be safe.